Alright, this is James with Exploring New York with James, and we are going, I am in Ithaca, New York, and we're going to check out a waterfall. But also, where I'm at, there's a lot of ruins, to an old gun factory. If I can get to it, I'll show you that too. So let's start this adventure. This trail is a very, very short trail to the waterfalls. But there's more stuff to look at around here. Here's some abandoned stuff to look at. Not sure what that is. We're down here by the water. This might be a really short video, but I'll try to make it a little more interesting. There's actually an old gun factory here. I don't know how close you can get to it, but the only thing that remains, I believe, is the foundation and the smokestack, which can't really get to. Oh wow. I think you're gonna like this when you really get to it. I think you're gonna like, you can hear the water, can't you? Yeah. This is gonna be one of the best places I think to go to. Can't wait to show you when we get close to it. Okay. I hope you're ready for this. This is really nice. Take a look at this. This is Ithaca Falls. Something else, huh? Alright, I want to get out of the glare of the sun. And I think people swim here. I'm not sure, but I'll tell you what, I don't know if there's another way to get to those, but right here where I'm at, is probably the best spot. So let's just take a few minutes to look at these waterfalls. open pipe remnant in front of you is a reminder of Ithaca Falls' industrial past. What was one of many mills and factories is now a scenic gorge for all to enjoy. And that must be the open pipe there. And through all of my other places that I've been to, mills were all over the place here in New York. Mills and factories. And this place is no different. Now, the gun factory I'm very interested in. And the best known industry around Fall Creek was the Ithaca Gun Company. It was established in 1880 by Leroy H. Smith of Lisle, New York, who came to Ithaca in search of water power. Ezra's Tunnel. At age 23, Ezra Cornell, founder of Cornell University, blasted a 200-foot tunnel through solid gorge rock to replace wooden flumes. He applied techniques used during the construction of New York State canals. Ezra moved to Ithaca in 1828 when he was 21 and first found work as a carpenter. Ezra eventually was hired to run plaster and flour mills on Fall Creek and built a stone dam on Fall Creek, which formed Beebe Lake. I believe this right here that you're looking at is an old race or a flume. And what that was, it carried water. Alright, well, here's something else that's interesting I found. An old pipe. Now, at this point, I don't think we go any further because that fence right there surrounds the gun factory and it's up there. Alright, there it is. That's the only thing that you can see. And I'll leave a link for that. That's the smokestack. Okay, well that's all you can see. In fact, the parking space I'm into is permanent parking, so I can't stay long. But that is the only thing that's left, is that smokestack from the gun factory. I don't think you can even get to the other part because it's closed off with a fence. Okay, right here is the only thing remaining of the old gun factory. That's it. You can't even get to it. That's it right there. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next time.